Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel mrbdoeselectronics, and in this brand new video we'll be unboxing the Realme Buds Wireless 5 ANC. So let's get it on. So this is the box itself in the yellow color that is also Realme. Not anything out of this world. It's very simple packaging. As you can see, Realme branding all around, and on the back we have got all the important specs like the dynamic bass driver, the hybrid noise cancellation, the IP55 dust and water resistance, etc. And all of these will be dove much deeper later part in the video, so stay tuned. So without wasting any more time, let's cut into the packaging and show you the device itself. So I had bought this on 23rd January on the launch date from Amazon for a offer price of 1600 rupees, and I have been using it for almost a week or over a week. So in this video, along with the unboxing, I will also give my unbiased opinion about the device itself. And as you can see, this is the packaging and how it's packed inside. Quite simple and quite minimalistic. I quite like it. So that was the device itself. Let's keep it to the side and see what are the goodies that are packed on the back. So here are some of the adjustable silicone tips, and this is the user guide. You can pause at any time to read any of the instructions that you want. I usually scroll like this in all of my unboxing videos for my viewers out there. Well, there's nothing fancy in here. It's just a neckband. It's a Bluetooth neckband. All of my tech savvy as well as any of my viewers can easily make out how it works. So just keep everything to the side for now and focus on the main product itself. So now is a good time to tell you that I do unboxing video, electronics video, DIY videos, and if you have not subscribed till now, do consider subscribing to Mr. B Does Electronics. So this is the neckband itself. I have opted for the dawn silver color, orange. There are also the midnight black and twilight color also, but this quite stands out, and it is made of quite flexible and comfortable material. I can vouch for it. I have been using it non-stop in my daily commute every day. So now let's focus on some of the controls which are located on the right side of the neckband. So here you can see the volume plus and minus button, the multifunction button, as well as the dedicated button to toggle the transparency and the ANC modes. And on this side also there is the Type-C fast charging port, and it does support fast charging. And there is also one of the microphones on this side, as you can see over here. And on the left hand side we cannot see anything. I think the battery is located over there, and these are the ear tips or the earbuds, whatever you want to call it. They do have the magnetic turn and on and off feature, and here are the one of the pairs of the noise cancelling microphones. There are total 5 microphones all over the device for noise cancellation, and here are the second pair of the microphones situated in the ear tips itself. So that was the overview of the device itself. Now let's focus on how to pair it. So as soon as you separate the earbuds themselves, it will pop up on your Android smartphone just like this, because it has got both Google Fast Pair as well as Microsoft Swift Pair protocols. And as you can see, it has already taken my name along with the name of the device itself. It has automatically adjusted it. And if we go into more settings, we can see that it has got support for HDAAC protocol as well as contact sharing. So that's quite cool. And you can also see a small icon for the battery, amount of the battery left on the neckband itself. And let me just show you, as soon as you put the earbuds together, because they're magnetic, it will disconnect automatically from the device itself, as you can see, and as soon as you take it off, they will pair right back up. So that's quite cool. And as far as charging goes, it supports the fast charging protocol, that is 10 minutes of charging will give you 20 hours of playback, and when it's charging it will slowly blink green like it is doing right now, and when it is fully charged it will glow solid green. Another excellent part of this neckband is the connection with the Realme Link app, which helps you to control the slew of functionality that it brings much more easily. And as far as the technical specifications go, here are all of them listed. You can pause to read at any time. Some of the highlights are 50 dB noise cancellation, 13.6 mm dynamic bass driver, 360 spatial audio, ultra low latency, and much more. So this is the Realme Link app. For those of you that have not seen what the app does or how it feels, you can go through this part of the video. Otherwise, the timestamps are given below. You can skip at any time. So this is the Realme Link app. As you can see, the earbuds are paired up right now via the generic settings of the Bluetooth. And as soon as you sign in with the app itself, it will show up with all of your Realme devices which supports the Realme Link app. And we have already gotten a firmware update for the neckband itself. This is the first time, at least for me, that I will be having to update the OS or the firmware of the neckband itself before I can listen to my music. What a time to be alive. I hope you will agree. So anyway, after the firmware upgrade has completed, this is the page that we are greeted with inside the deeper settings of the device itself in the Realme Link app. And as you can see, nothing is turning on because we have to reset the device by turning it off and then on again, and it will pair right back up, as you can see over here. So first up, we are greeted with the noise control, that is the noise cancellation, normal mode, and transparency. And under transparency, we have got the option for enhancing voice, which does work in my actual field test. And then we have got the equalizer modes, where there are 4 presets, as you can see: serenade, original sound, pure bass, and deep bass. I hope these are all self-explanatory. And you can also go for custom equalization, as I am doing right now. As we can see, we have got a 6-band equalizer. You can tweak it to your heart's content and save it under a custom name. So that's quite good as well as unique in my opinion. As you can see, I have set up sort of a V band over here under the name, and it is selected right now. So next up, we have got the option for the spatial audio, that is the 360-degree audio. This is not a head tracking 360-degree audio like the AirPods. This is just what can I say, a Dolby type of effect that it will give, that it will produce a much more wider sound stage all around you, not head tracked, I'm telling you again, but it does sound great. Then we have got the option for dynamic audio, which gives you even more tweaking option for the low frequency, mid frequency, as well as the high frequency, which is independent of the equalizer modes. Then we have got the volume enhancer, that is it will boost the volume even further that your mobile software allows. Next we have got the game mode for the 45 milliseconds of low latency, and this is the earbud fit test, that it will play 2 or 3 tones and it will listen back and tell you how the fit is. And this is the dual device pairing. You have to turn it on in the Realme Link app, otherwise you won't get the option. And next we have Find My Phone. This is rather unique and niche thing, I guess. If you have lost your phone, you can easily ring your phone from your neckband itself. I think it's quite practical because the neckband is always with you around your neck. All you have to do is press on the multifunction button as instructed over here, and the phone will start ringing so that you can easily find it. That's quite unique and quite new feature also, but quite welcome. And this is one of the great things that I like about the Realme devices which support Realme Link app, is the customization option for the buttons. That is, you can change the multifunction button, the transparency mode button, what it does on single press, double press, on holding it. So that's quite good. Overall, for the price, the feature set, as well as the device that you are getting, as well as the sound quality, in my opinion, is one of the best in the market right now, in India at least. And these are some of the device infos, as you saw. And one thing I missed is, under noise cancellation, you have this option for noise cancellation, the degree of noise cancellation, that is, it supports maximum 50 dB hybrid noise cancellation. You can set the decibel of noise cancellation that you want, or you can also set it to smart, which is basically auto. It will monitor your ambient noise and set the noise cancellation, the decibel, accordingly. It actually works okay in my field test, so I always leave it at max. And mild actually lowers the decibel level of the noise cancellation, so that you can hear the speeches much more easily or the surrounding sound. And other than that, we have also got wind noise cancellation, which further affects the battery. So that was all about the Realme Link X app and the functionality as well as the connection with the neckband itself. So let me just show you how the Find My Phone feature works. It's quite unique and you can only find it in smartwatches. So all you have to do is press on the multifunction button 4 times and the phone starts ringing, and you also get this notification, as you can see over here, and it works in both locked as well as unlocked mode. So it's a neckband after all. So this is the use case or the daily use case part. As far as the audio quality goes, it's very bass heavy in my opinion, and I quite like it. I consider myself a bass head, but because of the equalization mode as well as the dynamic audio mode, I was able to balance out a bit the low tones actually by boosting the high frequencies, the mid frequency, and lowering the low ones. You can tweak it to your liking, and I quite like the fact that you can get into much granular settings about the audio itself. As far as the noise quality or the noise cancellation quality goes, it's actually excellent 50 dB. It's actually there. I have the Realme Buds Q Neo, which has 32 dB of noise cancellation, and it is hell and heaven difference. The 50 dB actually does make quite a difference. As far as the call quality goes, I held conference calls, I took personal calls, and no one had any complaint or never even realized that I was talking on a neckband. So that's quite good. And here is a small sample of the mic quality. This audio was recorded via the microphones on the Realme Buds Wireless 5 ANC. Comment in the comment section below about what you think. Well, to conclude, I have to say, Realme has given us a gem of a device, and it won't be wise to lose the flash sale offers, because for the price of 1600 rupees, the feature set that you are getting, the build quality, the audio quality is quite unmatched in my opinion. 50 dB ANC, 13.6mm big drivers that pump out a lot of bass and a lot of volume, which doesn't get distorted. Mind you, you won't be able to reach past 80%, trust me, you will get permanent ear damage, but if you do, there is zero distortion. The fit is quite comfortable, the neckband itself, the materials are quite soft, you won't get any irritation around your neck, as well as the earbuds themselves are quite ergonomically designed. It fits quite well in my ear. The magnetic on and off feature, I know it's a bit common, but there are neckbands out there at much higher price than this that don't give this feature. So in my opinion, it's a generic, it's a must-have feature which are missing in a lot but is present in the Realme Buds Wireless 5 ANC. And there is also the icing on the cake, the Realme Link X app, which gives you a feeling of grandeur, because you can change, you're not limited to like tapping the button 2 times or making any gesture with the button. You don't have to remember all of those presses, how many times you have to press to turn on and off the transparency or the ANC mode. You can just whip out your phone and control from the app itself. Other additional feature like the auto answering, which I didn't cover in the main part of the video, that is whenever you get a call, you take the earbuds apart and it will auto answer the call. You can turn on and off in the Realme Link X app, but it is there. The dual pairing feature and the switching between both the devices, is fantastic and it never failed on me. And the 45 milliseconds of latency, even though I don't game a lot on my phone, but whatever little gameplay I did on BGMI or any other fast-paced shooter games, I didn't face any lag or anything like those that are present in many of the Bluetooth devices. The transparency mode is excellent with the voice boost feature that you have. The dialog boost feature actually enhances the outside voices, not the ambient noise. It does an excellent job of distinguishing between the ambient noise as well as the dialogues that the people are talking, and actually boosts it quite well. The volume enhancer is also another feature that is packed in the device itself, which further boosts the device. This is very useful in many older devices or devices which don't let you push the volume past a certain percentage. That is, there is a governor or a limit on the amount of volume steps that you can go up and down. You can push the volume level even higher if you want, but trust me, you won't be able to get it past 80% because the 13.6mm big driver pushes out a lot of bass and a lot of volume. And if you do, fair warning, you will get hearing loss, but there is no distortion even at the maximum volume. The spatial audio is present. It's not a gimmick, even though it's not head tracked spatial audio, but trust me, as soon as you will turn it on, you will get this awesome feeling that the sound is coming from everywhere around you. It will give you a much more wider, much more fuller audio, and as soon as you turn it off, you will feel that the sound has become much more constricted, and you will actually feel that you are encircled in a cocoon of music as soon as you turn on the spatial audio feature, even though it consumes a bit more battery and your battery life will be reduced, and the warning is given in the app itself. Overall, this device gets a highest recommendation, and if you are in the market for any neckband, go for the Realme Buds Wireless 5 ANC. If you like unboxing video, DIY tech video, gadget videos, consider subscribing to Mr. B Does Electronics. I know I am a bit erratic with my schedule of uploading videos, but I work full time and I also buy my own device with my own money, so it takes a little bit of time. I hope all of you will understand it, but whenever anything new and exciting comes, you can always rely on me that I will make an honest video with my own opinion, which is not influenced by anyone else. So with that, I am concluding this video. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.